When teaching a skill, it's really important to consider the amount of support you are giving to your students as you teach the skill. And this diagram here represents that idea. On the left over here, when you are introducing a skill, in this case, figurative language, you are going to start by having the class practice together, getting really heavy support from the teacher and their peers, really kind of walking them through the process. Then you're going to continue along, giving them more practice with less and less support. You see that trajectory here. So that might look like what we have down here. You're going to give them some practice with figurative language. You're going to give them some guidance as they work together. And then you'll review and check. So they're just getting a lot of feedback, and it's a really safe environment for them to practice this new skill. Then you'll continue along this trajectory of gradual release, and you might give them some independent practice. So they're going to try it out on their own, and then the support comes in the form of reviewing and checking that independent work. So they're able to get a ton of feedback and really see how they're doing with this new skill. Then finally, the last step of this would be when they're getting a formative assessment. So they're going to try the skill out all on their own. They've gotten a lot of information from you on how to do the skill. They've practiced it whole class. They've got a chance to try it in a safe environment, maybe with a peer and some feedback. They've gotten a chance to try it on their own with some feedback. And now they're going to give it a go all by themselves. So you can see the gradual release goes from all teacher to then they're kind of sharing the responsibility between the teacher and the students to all student when they do their formative assessment. And it's done entirely independently. So when we talk about gradual release of a skill, this is what it means.